If you want to post on Facebook and Instagram using Meta Business Suite, this step-by-step tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. First, go to business.facebook.com and log into your account. You can also use the Meta Business Suite mobile app. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Create Post. You'll usually find this button at the top of the page. Next, choose where you want to publish your content. You can select your Facebook page, your Instagram account, or both at the same time. Now, write your caption in the text box. You can add emojis, hashtags, and even tag other accounts if needed. After that, click Add Photo/Video to upload your content from your computer. Make sure your image or video fits the correct format for Facebook and Instagram. If you want to schedule your post instead of publishing immediately, click on the drop-down next to the Publish button and choose Schedule Post. Then select the date and time you want it to go live. Before publishing, always preview your post to see how it will look on each platform. When everything looks good, click Publish or Schedule. And that's how you post using Meta Business Suite in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, like and subscribe for more social media marketing guides.